Well, in the last video, we had a look at why we might want to use a development workflow and what that actually is. We could set up such a workflow on our own. You could use Webpack if you are familiar with that. And there we have the view loader, to say that right away, which is a package allowing us to, for example, transform such single file templates. But we don't have to set it up on our own. And actually in this course, we won't do that. We will use the View CLI, and CLI sounds like a big, powerful, many-feature tool. But actually the View CLI has one major task. It allows us to fetch Vue.js project templates, which means to fetch certain project setups which are empty, but which have a build process setup. And you can dive into such a build process, of course, to kind of tweak it and to adjust it to your needs or to find out how to set up your own. We can install the Vue CLI with that command. It's very easy, and that installs it globally on our machine. On Mac, you will have to throw a sudo in front of that, on Linux too. And then we have access to a multitude of available templates. For example here, the simple template. That is basically the same we used in JSFill. It's an index.html file and then the script import from a CDN. But we also have a simple Webpack workflow. That is the one we'll use in this course. It has a nice Webpack workflow which will compile our single file templates, which allows us to use ES6, all these nice things, has really the things we need and gives us a nice production ready application. Now, if you want the big package with testing and all these other next level features, you could also use the Webpack workflow, which includes that and which is more powerful, but a bit overkill for this course where I don't want to dive into CSS processing or testing. I want to focus on Vue.js, that we understand and learn Vue.js. You also could use Browserify templates if you prefer that over Webpack, but we will use Webpack as this is kind of the cool kid in the world of front-end web development right now. Regarding the template compilation I was talking about earlier, all templates except the simple one support this, so that we have these single file templates compiled to our code, our JavaScript template, so that we can have this improved runtime configuration with the smaller Vue.js package and the better performance.